Welcome to OA Designs. Today, we're diving into the world of front yard designs. Front yards are the first impression of any home, a space that welcomes guests and offers a glimpse into the homeowner's personality and taste. But how did the concept of front yard design come to be? The idea of landscaped front yards dates back to ancient civilizations. In early European homes, the front yard was a functional space used for livestock or vegetable gardens. However, during the Victorian era, the front yard began to evolve into a decorative element, showcasing manicured lawns, flower beds, and ornate pathways. This shift marked the beginning of front yards as we know them today, a blend of beauty and functionality. As cities grew and the middle class emerged, the front yard became a symbol of domestic pride. In the 20th century, suburbanization further popularized front yard landscaping, with homeowners investing in lawn care, garden ornaments, and creative plantings. Today, front yards reflect personal style, regional climate, and contemporary trends. Why did people start creating these beautiful front yards? Initially, it was a way to demonstrate wealth and status. Over time, the emphasis shifted towards creating a welcoming environment. Today, an elegant front yard serves multiple purposes. It enhances curb appeal, provides a serene space for relaxation, and even boosts the property's market value. Technically speaking, a well-designed front yard can also improve home insulation and contribute to energy savings. By planting trees and shrubs strategically, homeowners can create natural barriers that protect against wind and provide shade, reducing heating and cooling costs. Moreover, front yards play a crucial role in our ecosystem. They offer habitats for birds and pollinators, reduce urban heat islands, and contribute to better air quality. By incorporating native plants and sustainable practices, homeowners can create eco-friendly front yards that benefit both their families and the environment. For instance, using drought-tolerant plants reduces water consumption, while rain gardens help manage stormwater runoff. Composting and mulching improve soil health and reduce waste. These practices not only make front yards more sustainable but also more resilient to climate change. Now, let's explore the various types of front yard designs. Whether you own a modern, traditional, or rustic home, there's a design to match every style. For modern homes, sleek lines and minimalistic plantings create a sophisticated look. Traditional homes often feature symmetrical layouts with classic plants like roses and hydrangeas. Rustic homes, on the other hand, can be complemented with natural stone pathways, wildflowers, and native grasses. Each design type offers unique elements. For example, modern designs might incorporate geometric shapes and contemporary sculptures, while traditional designs often include hedges and topiaries. Rustic designs can feature organic materials like wood and stone to blend seamlessly with the natural surroundings. Different house types call for different design approaches. For example, urban homes may benefit from vertical gardens and container plants to maximize space, while suburban homes can incorporate larger lawns, water features, and decorative fences. For those with a penchant for creativity, themed gardens such as Japanese Zen gardens or Mediterranean courtyards can transform the front yard into a personal sanctuary. Consider the architectural style of your home when choosing a design. A cottage-style home might look charming with a flower-filled garden and a picket fence, while a contemporary house might shine with a minimalist landscape featuring gravel and succulents. Think about how the design will flow with the rest of your property. Designing a front yard requires careful planning and technical know-how. Start by assessing your space. Measure the area. Note the sun and shade patterns, and consider the soil type. This information will guide your plant selection and layout. Create a plan that includes pathways, planting beds, and focal points. Use a mix of plants to create layers and add visual interest. Consider elements like irrigation systems, lighting, and seating areas. An efficient irrigation system ensures that your plants get the right amount of water, while strategically placed lighting enhances security and highlights key features of your landscape. Now that we've covered the essentials, let's delve into some fascinating facts and historical secrets about front yard designs that you might not know. Did you know that the concept of lawns originated in Europe during the Middle Ages? Lawns were originally kept as a status symbol by the wealthy and aristocratic families. These expansive green spaces were used for recreation and social gatherings. It wasn't until the 18th century that lawns became more common among the middle class, thanks to the invention of the lawnmower by Edwin Budding in 1830. The English garden style, characterized by its natural, informal layout, significantly influenced front yard designs worldwide. This style emerged in the 18th century as a reaction against the formal, symmetrical French gardens. The English garden aimed to mimic nature, featuring rolling lawns, serpentine pathways, and picturesque views. This approach to landscaping emphasized harmony with the natural environment, a principle that remains popular today. During the Victorian era, front yards were often designed with hidden gardens and secret pathways. These gardens were meant to create a sense of mystery and discovery. Ornate wrought iron gates, trellises covered in climbing roses, and secluded benches were common features. These elements added an air of romance and intrigue to the home's exterior, inviting visitors to explore the lush surroundings. In many cultures, the front yard has played a significant role in community building. In the United States, for example, the concept of the front porch became a popular feature in the 19th and 20th centuries. These spaces were designed to encourage social interaction among neighbors. Families would gather on their porches to relax and chat, fostering a strong sense of community. Today, front yards continue to serve as spaces for socializing and connecting with neighbors. These fascinating facts and historical insights remind us that front yard designs are more than just about aesthetics. They are a blend of history, culture, and personal expression. Now, let's dive back into the different design types and explore how you can create an elegant front yard that complements your home's style and meets your personal preferences. Adding features to your front yard can enhance its functionality and aesthetic appeal. Common features include pathways. Create inviting paths with materials like brick, stone, or gravel. Lighting. Use landscape lighting to illuminate walkways and highlight architectural features. Water features. Incorporate fountains or small ponds for a tranquil touch. Seating areas. Provide benches or small patios where you can relax and enjoy the view. Plants. Choose a variety of plants, including ground covers, shrubs, and trees, to create depth and texture. These elements not only beautify your front yard but also make it more enjoyable and usable. A well-designed front yard offers numerous benefits. It enhances the curb appeal of your home, making it more attractive to visitors and potential buyers. It provides a pleasant outdoor space where you can relax and entertain. Additionally, it can improve your home's energy efficiency by providing natural cooling and insulation. Moreover, a thoughtfully designed front yard can support local wildlife, promote biodiversity, and contribute to a healthier environment. By using sustainable practices and native plants, you can create a garden that is both beautiful and eco-friendly. Maintaining a beautiful front yard requires regular care and attention. Establish a routine that includes watering, pruning, weeding, and fertilizing. Regularly check for pests and diseases to keep your plants healthy. Consider using organic fertilizers and pest control methods to reduce your environmental impact. Mulching helps retain soil moisture and suppress weeds, making maintenance easier. With consistent care, your front yard will thrive and continue to enhance your home's appeal. Creating an elegant front yard is not just about aesthetics. It's about enhancing the living experience, fostering a connection with nature, and increasing your home's value. We hope this video inspires you to embark on your own front yard transformation. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow design enthusiasts, and subscribe to OA Designs for more inspiring ideas. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.